Hello, good day. This is Kingsley Abedi. Today, I'll be talking about three stocks you need to have in your portfolio before 2025 runs out. Okay, so for those who have been following me, I have been running several classes on stock market trading, and before I give my recommendations, I just wanted to watch this video. This video is an extract of a live trading class where I did recommendation of Danksem, and funny enough, just 2 weeks ago, and as at now, the stock has gained over 15%, right, within just 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks ago when this video was released. Okay, so just watch before I give my recommendation. If you are looking at financial statements, if you are comparing 3 months, compare 3 months to 3 months. Do not compare 3 months to 9 months. Now, so a mistake that some people will make is that 3 months here is telling you that the revenue is 1.08 trillion. And here, some people will now be comparing and say revenue declined because if you look at it here, it's 3.15 trillion. That's an error because here is 9 months. Do you understand now? This information is fundamental information. Okay, so there's what we call fundamental information, there's what we call technical information. So basically, what we can see on this screen here is the technical analysis chart, which is saying that the Dangote cement, if you look at just this price, it's saying it's on the average. But if you look at what is here, it's saying that the price has been beaten down. What made the price to go down? Nobody knows. But definitely the price will go up soon. Do you understand? So if I were to invest in this Danksem as a medium slash long term investor, I'll buy it at this current price. Okay, I believe you all watched that. So let me just go straight to the business of the day. First stock I want to recommend before this year runs out is Vitafoam. Yeah, people will be wondering why Vitafoam. Now, if you look at Vitafoam based on what is here, you can see that very soon the price will soon start going up. And of course, they've released their full year report for the year ended September 30th, right? 2025. Okay, so when you come here, you see that the revenue increased significant. That's this 12 month, right? So their year end is September. The revenue increased significantly from 82 to 111 billion, and of course, the gross profit increased. But there's something significant about this their performance. You see that the administrative expense decreased despite the fact that gross profit is even increasing. So that is an excellent one. And you can see if you look down here, down to the profit, you see that they made a profit of 14 billion as compared to 952 million in the previous year. So excellently, this company has done well. And of course, we expect that before the end of first quarter in 2026, we expect that they will declare dividend. And of course, before they do that, you see that the price have started going up. And of course, when you look at the chart here, you see that there is a positive response to the information that was released. Now, the next stock I want to talk about is United Capital. Now, look at United Capital. Based on the information that they've released, yeah, their Q3 report for the period ended 30th September 2025. Their gross earnings increased significantly from 28 billion to 41 billion, right? So look at other operating income also increased, which is expected. Total revenue, yeah, increase. Now, if you look at the profit for the period, it increased significantly from 15 billion to 21 billion. And of course, look at the APS, we have 1.57. So we want to also expect that towards the end of first quarter 2026, they may likely declare dividend as well, which will most likely boost the stock price. So now, this is, if you ask me, I think this is the best time, to buy this stock because this period, rather than people investing their money, right? People are spending so much money. People are doing a dirty December. People want to go and do oblay, right? They want to flex this December. Now, so this is the catch. When you invest now that the price, the market has not started reacting to the value, of the stocks, it is a very very good time, because by the time you start reacting, your portfolio is already in profit. So this is one of the reasons why people even lose money. They don't know when, they should invest. So giving you this one, for free, of course. Definitely this is not a financial advice, it's for educational purposes, but I assure you I did a proper due diligence before coming out with this particular stock. Okay, so now let's look at the chart for United Capital. Look at the chart here. You can see that the price has been beaten down, and of course it will want to start rising again. So the last stock we are going to look at is PZ, right? PZ, of course, PZ is a multinational, and the revenue increased significantly from 39 billion to 59 billion. Of course, if you look at the operating profit, it increased significantly. And of course, check the profits after tax, right? You see that it has also increased. Okay, so this is a very very good one. And of course, when you check the chart for PZ, you will see that it's looking like there's a recovery. Now, based on what is here, the strength index is very very low, which shows that very soon the price will, pick up. Of course, since it's a multinational, the parent company can even decide to invest, more money in it. Okay, yeah. Tell me if this video is very very useful to you. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and of course, happy new year in advance. Peace out.